Stanley Tumbler clearance sale involves multiple online stores. These stores misuse the Stanley brand, featuring some images and texts. These websites are aggressively promoted on Facebook and other social media platforms. Their advertisement says, "Stanley, thank you to all our loyal customers. Now we are clearing factory's backlog through online promotions. Last batch of Stanley 40 ounces stainless steel H2.0 flow state quencher tumbler clearance, up to 90% off. Water glasses for any scene. Today only $5.99. Buy 2 get 1 free, buy 3 get 2 free, the color of the gift is random." The offer seems too good to be true. The products, like the Stanley 40 ounces stainless steel H2.0 flow state quencher tumbler, are priced at an unrealistically low $5.99. The sites claim limited stock and pressure tactics such as only few pieces left in stock, and a number of people are viewing this right now. Contact details provided by these scam sites are either dubious emails or non-existent, indicating a lack of transparency. Additionally, these domains were created recently and their contacts are hidden. In conclusion, the $5.99 Stanley Tumbler is a scam, shows multiple signs of being a fraudulent operation. It's important to stay vigilant and verify the legitimacy of online deals that seem too good to be true. The Stanley Tumbler clearance sale scam is a cunning deception aimed at consumers interested in the brand's offerings. The scam claims to offer huge discounts on Stanley products, sometimes up to 85 to 90% off. The catch is, these offers are fake and designed to rip people off. Lured by unrealistically low prices, folks think they're scoring big but end up with nothing to show for it. The people behind the scam aim to make quick money by fooling shoppers. They set up fake websites that look like they're selling Stanley goods. These scammers know that people love a good deal, so they promise huge discounts to get people's attention. Once someone places an order, they either send cheap knockoffs or nothing at all. These fake websites use a mix of tricks to make people believe they're legit. They create ads that pop up on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, promising crazy discounts and limited time offers. The websites often look professional but have small giveaways like spelling errors and copied text from real businesses. They also avoid putting up any contact info, making it tough for anyone to reach out with questions or complaints. Most people who fall for the scam end up losing their money. They pay for products they'll never get or receive items that are nowhere near the quality they expected. No returns, and no refunds. The Stanley Tumbler clearance sale scam operates by mimicking an official sales campaign, claiming to offer Stanley products at steep discounts, sometimes as high as 85 to 90%. The scam leverages digital platforms to entice potential victims, duping them into believing they're participating in a legitimate sale when in fact they're being tricked. The scammers utilize social media advertising, specifically on Facebook and Instagram, to promote their counterfeit operations. Ads often include phrases like "Stanley Tumbler clearance sale" or "Today only $5.99" to instill a sense of urgency. While the real price for the Stanley 40 ounces is $45. Upon clicking the social media ad, the victim is redirected to a website designed to look like a Stanley's shop. The website generally asks for financial transactions to be completed upfront. Credit card details are collected, and sometimes personal information like home addresses is requested for shipping. Many victims pay, expecting the discounted items to be delivered. However, the goods are either never shipped or, if they are, they're counterfeit or subpar quality. In cases where there is an email address listed for customer queries, it often links to other known scam websites, making it virtually a dead end for complaints or questions. This enables the scam operators to avoid direct confrontation with their victims. By frequently changing domains and not having traceable contact information, they minimize the risk of being caught. No social media accounts are linked, and their online presence vanishes frequently, only to resurface under a new name, making tracking and reporting incredibly challenging. At last, There are many red flags, and these are reasons why you should not try shopping from Stanley Tumbler clearance sale fake online shops. It is clear now, these online stores are not trusted as online stores. If you have shopped at Stanley Tumblers clearance sale fake shop, and are concerned about your transaction, it is important to contact your bank or financial institution to have the transaction cancelled and your money refunded. Share this video with everyone you know before they become a victim. Leave a comment if you have a note to help others. Beware, and thank you for watching.